Welcome back students to the part 2 of today's session. Let us discuss about the concept of center of mass. Center of mass of a system of particles moves as if all the mass were concentrated at the center of mass point and all the external forces is acted upon at that point. In brief, we can say in most of the particles, the center of mass point will be merely the center of the particle. So, the center of mass for a cylinder, a triangle, circle, square, rectangle, etc. are shown to you. Now, let us consider two masses m1 and m2, which are at distances r1 and r2 from the origin. Let Cm represent the center of mass point along the line joining m1 and m2. Let capital RCM be the position vector of the center of mass. Then RCM is defined as m1r1 plus m2r2 divided by m1 plus m2. Suppose if the two particles are lying along the x-axis and the distance of the center of mass point is given by xcom, then xcom will be equivalent to m1x1 plus m2x2 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 can be replaced by capital M, where capital M represents the total mass of the two particles. Considering a system of particles m1, m2, m3, m4, etc. up to mn, which are at distances r1, r2, r3, r4, etc. up to rn, then the center of mass point of such a particles can be got by the expression m1r1 plus m2r2 plus m3r3 plus etc. plus mnrn divided by capital M, where capital M is equivalent to m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus etc. up to mn. So, for two particles, we have already discussed the center of mass point. For three particles, it is given by m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. For n particles, it is m1x1 plus m2x2 plus etc. up to mnxn divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3 etc. This can also be written as 1 by m into summation from I equivalent to 1 to n mixi, where I takes the values from 1 to n and sum up those quantities. Suppose if the particle is only lying along the x-axis, then the center of mass point or the x-coordinate of center of mass point is given by 1 by m summation I equivalent to 1 to n mixi. Y-coordinate of the center of mass is given by 1 by m sigma I equivalent to 1 to n miyi. Z-coordinate of the center of mass point is given by 1 by m summation I equivalent to 1 to n mizi. In short, we can define the position vector r of the center of mass point as r center of mass is equivalent to 1 by m summation I equivalent to 1 to n miri. Here r is replaced by x, y and z according to the motion of the particle, whether it is one dimensional, two dimensional or three dimensional. So in short, in summation notation, RCM is equivalent to summation I equivalent to 1 to n miri divided by summation I equivalent to 1 to n mi, which is expanded as m1r1 plus m2r2 plus M3R3 plus etc. up to Mn Rn divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus etc. up to Mn. The denominator can be replaced by capital M, where capital M is equivalent to summation from I to n mi, which is the total mass of the system of particles. Hope you might have got an idea about the system of particles and center of mass. Thank you, dears.